How to enable or disable keep screen on while using SmartThings app on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. After that, we go down and tap on connected devices. Now in here, scroll down to the bottom and tap on SmartThings. In here, tap on the menu button at the bottom. Then we go to the top and tap on the settings icon. In here, scroll down and then tap on advanced features. Next, tap on keep screen on while using this app. Tap on the toggle button to switch it on or turn it off. And that's it. After that, tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Once that is switched on, if you are using the SmartThings app, it will stay on. And I'm just going to switch it off because if it stay on, it may use up all my battery if I forget to turn off the app. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.